Hi, it's Brooke with WTI. If you've been looking for a knife set that cuts through your food like butter, check out this by Sunnecko. I like how incredibly detailed this knife set is. This is made with high carbon stainless steel. This is my husband using the paring knife, and it cuts through this mango and it takes off the skin nicely. This is great everywhere from your meats that are challenging to cut or your produce, which needs, a lot of bulky produce out there that needs to get skinned and peeled. So the pumpkin here is impressive because of these knives being able to be put to work and not bend in the process. It's also nice not to have to sharpen my knives on a regular basis, and the knife set here is really made so well, and the sharpness of it is incredible. So the only thing I recommend is enjoy yourself in the kitchen, get to work, but watch your fingers. And it really does a great job through the fruits and the skins, the peels that are very difficult and challenging. It makes cooking fun having this knife set. I like how it has everything that I possibly would need, from the 8-inch chef knife, the 8-inch slicing knife, the 5-inch paring knife, and it even comes with the kitchen scissors, so I can get to work with cutting fresh cooked meat or raw meat or whatever I need to cut. This is great for filleting fish or just having that razor thin knife to do the job. This Japanese knife set is a perfect gift with great design on the handle. It's ergonomic and perfect for any occasion. I love it, but that's just my point of view.